Happy Friday. I'm Lily.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
We hope you all had an amazing spring break.
We're in the final stretch of the school year, so stay focused, Scots.
Let's kick things off with some school announcements.
First up, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. Class counselor applications are now available in the activities office.
Stop by to pick one up if you want to be part of leadership next year.
It's time to step up and make a difference here at Highland. Next up, there's an important event coming up for our community.
Highland High School will be hosting a free distribution on Thursday, April 16th, starting at 10 a.m. while supplies last.
Pickup will take place in the Southgate parking lot next to the football stadium.
This event is made possible in partnership with the current school district and sponsored by Anthem Blue Cross, helping support families in our community.
Make sure to spread the word and come out early.
Once again, that's Thursday, April 16th at 10 a.m. Finally, Spring Fest is starting next week.
Here are the dress-up days.
Monday's Barbie,
Tuesday's Marvel,
Wednesday's Despicable Me,
Thursday's Pitch Perfect,
and Friday is Scotty's movie carpet premiere. Don't go anywhere.
We are just getting started. Kobe. Oh, I don't care. Did you go see the game?
Yeah, I did. Hey, you need to pick up that trash right there.
That's not even my trash.
I wouldn't come over here because that's up high. Unless you're one of the boys and you know how to. Are you tired that guys?
Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for sports.
What's up, Scots? I'm Freaky Bar,
And I'm Luke Parra.
and we're back with some sports announcements.
Are you interested in being on the cheer squad?
Cheerleading tryouts are coming up. We'd love to see you there.
Here are some important dates. Don't miss out, Scots.
Up next, our swim team is competing at Independence on the East Side Aquatic Center at 3:30.
If you're not busy, go show your support.
Don't miss out.
Finally,
Powder Puff.
juniors versus seniors next Thursday.
$8 at the door, Scots. Be there. Be ready. Because I know he ain't. And that's a wrap, Scots.
Have a great day.
Attention all incoming juniors and seniors. For the 2026-2027 school year, Link Crew applications are now officially open.
Link Crew is a great opportunity to become a leader on campus, help welcome incoming freshmen, and make a real impact on our school community.
There are also a limited number of spots available for sophomores on the A team, so don't miss your chance.
To apply, scan the QR code on the flyer or see Mr. Valdez in room 141 if you have any questions.
Make sure to get your applications in by next Friday, April 17th.
Don't wait. Step up, get involved, and be a leader with Link Crew.
Now let's go with the Avid team.
Think it, ink it, link it, snack it edition.
Welcome back from Spring Break, Scots. It's me, Ashley, and we're gonna get back into Think It, Link It, Ink It, Snack It edition. Let's go. And I'm here with
Juan Brookett.
And today he's our first winner for our Great Focus Notes. How do you feel about Great Focus Notes?
I think it's important because you can know what your classes are about and it can help you study.
Perfect. And our second question is, what tips would you give other students regarding their focus notes?
Right, biggest tip that I can give is that it is important to highlight your notes so that you know what to look for in them.
Yes, I agree. Thank you so much. Here with
Miss Magnus.
And today we have some questions for her regarding her award of focus notes. Have you noticed your students doing better whenever they make their focus notes?
I do. I notice that they reflect on the key ideas and vocabulary, and then we always have like a practice problem at the end too to make sure that they've taken away the right thing from that lesson.
Perfect. And our second question is, what advice would you give students wanting to better focus their notes?
The advice I'd have for anybody wanting to work on focus notes is to always write down what you think is important from a lesson. Don't just copy your teachers blindly, because these are for you and for your brain and the way that you learn.
I agree. Thank you so much.
Xavier?
And today we have a couple of questions regarding Xavier's Great Focus Notes. Our first question is, how do you feel about winning your Great Focus Notes?
I'm great. I feel proud about being recognized for my notes and my great study habits.
Perfect. And our second question is, what tips would you give other students regarding their focus notes?
Always stay focused on your own goal, and it helps you get things done more effectively for you and your success coming up.
I agree. Thank you.
Another thing that you could also do, for those of you that know, try the Magnus method.
That's all for us, Scots. Students, make sure to continue to submit your great notes, and teachers, make sure to continue to select your nominees.
Hey Scots, I'm Reagan.
And I'm Stephanie. And Hadestown Teen Edition is kicking off next Friday right here at Highland in the Wall.
You do not want to miss it.
Shows run April 17th and 18th, and April 23rd, 24th, and 25th at 7 p.m. inside Wesley Anderson Hall.
Tickets are $10 cash. All ages welcome, so bring everyone.
Don't miss a special performance on April 23rd featuring Broadway's Nicholas Collin.
Mark your calendars.
And get ready for Hadestown.
That's a wrap for today, Scots.
We'll catch you right back here next week.
And as always,
don't forget to
Plaid Up!